Dear students, now we are going to start Neolithic Age in the chapter number 2, the earliest societies. In this chapter, now we are going to talk about the Neolithic Age. Children, Neolithic Age is stretched from 8000 to 3000 BCE, but some people say that it has stretched till 1000 BCE. But it doesn't matter to us because we have to learn about the Neolithic Age. So the Neolithic age is one of the important age. Why? Because there was a significant change in the lifestyle of the people, those who are living at that time. Now they have become more settled people. Now they have started living in groups. Now they are living at one place, which is very, very important, right? So in this, because now when we are living in a group and we are staying at one place, definitely we need something to eat. So for eating, now they don't go for the jungles, because definitely jungles are going to not going to give us that much of grains or something which they are gathering. Now slowly and gradually they even observe that the seeds which fell from the grains, right, that they are gathering, now they are turning up into a crop. And slowly and gradually, when they are bringing up the grains from the jungles, they are dropping some of them into the soil, and slowly and gradually they observe that this now the grains can be converted into a large quantity, and this has given the rise into the beginning of farming. So this is how they have started with the beginning of farming. Now they are doing a lot of you can say the crop. Now they are doing the farming of different types of crops, like you can see the rice, wheat. You can see the rice, wheat, pulses, legumes, vegetables, and other different fruits, right? So this is how there was a tremendous change in the farming in the Neolithic age, especially in the farming field. Now we are going to talk about the domestication of animals. So we are on this topic, domestication of plants and animals. So children, you can see that there was a climatic change, and we have been studying it from the last module, that there was a climatic change which has encouraged the growth of different grasslands, because there was a grassland means a place where there is a lot of grass, and because of that the herding animals have been increased. And what are the herding animals? That feed into the grass, like cattle, goats, sheep, etc. So gradually people get to know that those who are hunting the animals, now they discovered that instead of hunting, because of their traits and behavior of the animals, they started domesticating them, right? And now they began the practice of domestication of animals. Now the domesticated animals are providing them meat, milk, and other dairy products. So they are using even the skins of those animals to make clothes. So this is clear that domestication of plants and animals was there in the Neolithic age. Now, how they are settling themselves, what type of houses they are making. So this is what is there in our next topic, that is leading a settled life. Now as the beginning of agriculture was there, so people cannot go from one place to another, because crops take some time to grow. So and they have started the beginning of farming. That is why now they are settled at one place at least for few months, and now they are looking after their plants. So this is how they have to lead a settled life. They are making the houses which are made up of mud, straw, and reed. Reed is a kind of grass which is used for making the roof of the hut, right? And in some places they we even see the dwelling pits. So dwelling pits are the houses which are pit houses, right, which are made under the ground, and there even the stairs were seen, and the steps were seen leading into these pits. So these are known as the dwelling pits. So one of the site is Burza home. Burza home in Kashmir is the site where we have seen the dwelling pits. Now families have began living together, and now they are doing lot of cooperation with each other, and they are living together for the better protection. And this is how the sites have been came to convert into a village. So this is how the village has started in the Neolithic age.